Hey, hey, pop the trunk or open up. I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yay.
Fuzzbuzz always has a barbecue, and today is no different. As you can see, it is almost ready. A little bit more and we are rocking and rolling. It rained, there was thunder, barbecue almost didn't happen. We're going to eat raw chicken almost, but now looks like we're going to have some cooked meat. Got the Black Beast, the mountains, we're in a national park, and can't get much better than this. A few other families around, dog sleeping over there. Welcome to Fuzzbuzz's grill. Well, not really my grill, but it's the Turkish National Park's grill. It's my chicken. Promised you guys a barbecue today, and here we are. Chicken's on there. Soon it will be time to feed Fuzzbuzz. Guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. This is going to be a treat when you're outdoors. I learnt this in Australia when I was in the outback. I mean, you can't get a chocolate waffle or an ice cream there. This is what you eat. It's a banana, sort of peel the top of it. I cut off the little bit, and for this you need some sort of chocolate. A chocolate bar will do. You can put the chocolate bar on top. This is the Turkish equivalent to Nutella. As you can see, there's my banana. It's like a little boat. I'm going to put the Nutella, and I'll show you how I do that. And I'm a bit of a chocoholic, unfortunately, or fortunately, whichever way you want to look at it. So I will put a lot of chocolate because I need the energy to ride home. And Bob's your uncle. Okay. Really, I mean, Bob's not my uncle, but it's just the saying, Bob's your uncle. If you have a look at that, voila. That looks sensational, doesn't it? I'm going to put that on the grill. Just like that. I'm going to put it on top of the fire, with the coal. Just like that. And we're going to wait about 10 minutes or so. And that, my friend, is an Outback chocolate banana split dessert. You can't beat it. Now guys, as I promised, my chocolate banana split on the fire. There you go. It is all melted and the inside of the banana has gone soft. As you can see, bon appetit to me, or as in Turkish they say, afiyet olsun. After this, I'll be on my way. This is Fuzzbuzz, bush tucker styles in Turkey, and let's eat.